What's up guys, this is Simpson here again. Welcome back to another new episode of my channel with brand new device. And in this video I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 12, which will be product red color, and I'm really excited to finally get my hands on it. Before moving forward, if you guys are new in my channel, hello and welcome. Please do consider subscribe my channel. Alright, enough talking, let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone 12 and see what the new iPhone 12 is all about. The iPhone 12 release date was October 23rd, 2020. We can initially see how tiny the package is. I have got product red version here, and iPhone 12 is the one that comes in bunch of different colorways, 5 to be exact, but it is thin because we no longer have a power adapter. We know that's created a bit of controversy, but Apple is saying it's doing so to be more environmentally. So here is the box. As you can see, it is much thinner and usual, and as everybody knows by now, that is because it does not have power adapter in the case. So let's unbox and see what's inside. We have a little tab here, so let's pull out, and very easy the way Apple did. I think this has come since the iPhone 4, but it just feels a bit nice to hold in the hand. It does seems a bit modern, and when I compare to my previous iPhone 11 Pro Max, I can really see the differences here. Sharpness of the edges compared to the round edges found on the older generation. And you can see here gorgeous and sexy product red color. Now I'm going to take the phone and let's do a quick tour. We already know what that's going to say, designed by California. There are also a couple of other things worth noting. First off, at very bottom of the box is where I can find the SIM exitor tool, which is you might need it. And finally, also we will get a USB-C to Lightning connector for device charging cable. Supports MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging. The thinness is a big plus point for me because I love thin smartphones, mostly because they look good in case. Now let's see what's on the side of the phone. So if I look at the side of the phone over here, we have that power button. And here we have the other side volume rockers as usual, volume down, volume off, and here you can see mute key. So we do have a dual camera setup, which is 12 megapixel camera system. We have here ultra wide and a wide camera. Let me remove new screen protector up front. Now we can see the brand new design of iPhone 12 product red color. Here we have a flash and little microphone right over there, as you can see. If you look the bottom, we have the speaker microphones, and the middle we have lightning port. That's basically everything we have. Moving forward, let's just say yes, overall I was very happy at this point. Although I did find size bigger than I first thought, and also gripness of the phone while being good. It was quite wide and thinner and lighter. I'm noticing while holding the phone that kind of giving it a little bit more of a sturdy feel while holding it. We can see the brand new design of iPhone 12 product red color. So it's got sharper corners. I have always been a fan of that. True tone display on or off, it's up to you. So let's move to the front. I'm going to lift this off. Now let's do a full tour of the actual device. Alright, here we have the phone. And next big things on the iPhone 12, actually A14 Bionic fastest chip in a smartphone. And here is the SIM card tray. This is the 128GB storage, but iPhone 12 comes in a 128 and 256GB storage option. This iPhone comes with 4GB of RAM regardless of the color and storage option. One thing about iPhone 12 display, there is actually new coating over top and it's called ceramic seal, and Apple said 4 times better drop protection. But I'm not going to try to drop my brand new iPhone 12. It should definitely survive more in a drop, and I'm not too sure if that actually helps out with any scratches resistance. In the back here we have still got a double lens camera system that's very similar to what we have on the older iPhone 11, but there are updates coming to the actual glass. So it is a brand new 12 megapixel wide, and we still have the 12 megapixels ultra wide, which is my personal favorite. The new design with the flat edges does look little bit better than the older iPhone models, and up top is completely free of anything. And first big difference that I have noticed here against the standard iPhone 11 is the display. So although it's the same size like iPhone 11, 6.1 inches, we're now moving away from LCD to OLED, and it's their Super Retina XDR display, and it gets up to 1200 nits of brightness depending on the type of content you're watching. And most top we have Face ID system. And let's pick a passcode. Let me just pick something very simple here. So I'm going to setting here on camera related. So if I go down here, if I go into my video, what you are going to see at here bottom, you can pick from all these different resolutions, 4K up to 60 fps. In fact, Apple iPhones are usually some of the best smartphone camera on the market. Up to 60 frames per second. For me, back up the phone is the best part because of the glass finish and overall camera setup in terms of the iPhone 12 lineup. I hope you guys enjoyed your very first look unboxing of just standard iPhone 12. If you have any other question, any other comparison you want to see, let me know down below. Let me know what you think of this iPhone 12 product red color. Is the product red color iPhone 12 something you are considering? Maybe you would rather just go with something different. Let me know in the comments down below. If you feel my video informative, then please consider to subscribe and hit like to my this video.